Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Pad 6S Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, find the content that you wish to capture and have it open on your screen. I will be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once that is the case for you, all you need to do is just hold power button and volume down at the same time. So this, you'll have a flash along with a pop-up right here, and the first time around it does give you this quick guide on letting you know what the options here. So tap to make a scrolling screenshot, and you also have the share option right here. And after a moment, this little thing will disappear. Next, to view your screenshot, just open up your Photos application, and by default usually be located in the Photos tab right here, which your screenshot will appear here. If they have been just captured, it's a little bit easier to find them as they will be literally at the very top. But later on, if you're trying to find your screenshots, obviously like weeks down the line, you might just need to keep scrolling down, and it would be easier to probably go into library and never mind. It also stores screenshots in camera roll, just like screen recordings, photos, and everything else, so never mind. So you will need to basically be scrolling through everything that you have on your device just to find your screenshots. But anyway, that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.